the family members of the victim have alleged that the Kolkata police officials tried to bribe them, which then they immediately rejected. The statement from the family has sparked a fresh row, with common citizens and politicians criticizing the TMC government and the Kolkata police. Now, the ruling TMC government has refuted this claim. During a recent press conference, the party released a purported video of the parents of the trainee doctor who was raped and murdered in the most brutal manner on the 9th of August. The video was allegedly shot last month. In the video, the doctor's father can be heard saying that he does not have anything to say on attempts being made to bribe them by police officials, and it is a blatant lie. In the video, he urged everyone to not spread such rumors and ensure that his daughter gets justice. Let's in fact listen in to what the family has claimed earlier and what this purported video that has been shared by the TMC also shows.
এই প্রশ্নের উত্তরগুলো কে দেবে আমাদেরকে? এই প্রশ্নের উত্তর চাই। আমাদের সঙ্গে চরম নিষ্ক্রিয়তা করা হয়েছে, চরম মানে পুলিশের যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত না বডি দাহ হয়েছে ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত 300-400 পুলিশ একেবারে ঘিরে রেখেছিল আমাদেরকে। যেই মুহূর্তে আমাদের মেয়ের বডি দাহ হয়ে গেল আর একটা পুলিশ কি করে পরিবার আসবে, কি করে কে আসবে, কারোর কোনো দরকার পড়েনি, কারোর কোনো জানার দরকার নেই। সেই মানুষগুলো যদি শ্মশানেও থেকে যেত তাহলে হয়তো থেকে যেত। এতটা সক্রিয় ছিল পুলিশ বডি নিয়ে যাওয়া পর্যন্ত। যখন দাহ হয়ে গেল তখন পুলিশ নিষ্ক্রিয় হয়ে গেল। ঘরে ঢুকে পুলিশ টাকা অফার করছে বাবা মাকে, যেখানে আমরা আমাদের মেয়ের বডি নিয়ে বসে রয়েছি ঘরে, পরিবারের প্রত্যেকটা লোক চোখের জলে তাকাতে পারছি না, তখন পুলিশ গিয়ে টাকা অফার করছে আমাদেরকে। এটা পুলিশের মানবিক মুখ। তারা আবার বলছেন যে আমরা সব ঠিক কাজ করেছি, আমরা সব দায়িত্ব পালন করেছি। এটাকে দায়িত্ব পালন করে? এটাকে
একটা প্রচার হচ্ছে বিভিন্ন জায়গাতে পুলিশ প্রশাসন থেকে নাকি আপনাদের কোনো আর্থিক টাকা নিয়ে এসে দিয়ে ধামাচাপা।
কিভাবে বললো এটা?
এইটাই তো হচ্ছে টিভিতে।
কিভাবে বললো? আপনার আমাদের এই সম্বন্ধে কথা বলার কোন দরকারই প্রয়োজন কি আছে? আমি কোনো ঘটনাই ঘটেনি।
ছি ছি ছি, তাহলে এটা পুরো সম্পূর্ণ একদম মিথ্যা গল্প।
হ্যাঁ, মিথ্যা গল্প বানিয়ে একটা শুরু হয়েছে। আমরা বিচার চাইছি, যারা আমাদের সহযোগিতা করবে তারা আমাদের যারা ন্যায় পাই, ন্যায় বিচার পাই সেই ব্যবস্থা করুন। আমাদের মিথ্যা প্রচার চেষ্টা করতে হবে তাদের নিজেদের প্রচারের জন্য।
All right, there of course, viewers, you've heard what the family has had to say. With me on the broadcast is my colleague Srijita Sen. Srijita, the family of course raised explosive claims yesterday. They claimed that the Kolkata police tried to bribe them, but now of course the TMC has shared a video that is purported to be an old video of the family claiming that there have been no attempts to bribe them and to not circulate rumors. What's exactly happening?
Yeah, so I'll quickly translate what both the family members said both the times. So the first sound bite that you heard is of the aunt of the victim. So this is what she said when the family joined the recent protest against this rape and murder incident. So the aunt heavily criticized the West Bengal police, and firstly she claimed that when they took the victim's body for cremation, there were several police officers present at the scene, but when everything was done, there was no one to look after the family or to even ensure how the family members would get back home in a situation like this. And then she went on to allege that when the parents of the victim, right before the cremation, when they were sitting in front of their daughter's dead body, in her final moments, they were obviously devastated and heartbroken. That goes without saying. But in that situation, the police officers chose to offer the family money. So that is a very serious allegation coming from the victim's aunt, that the family members were offered money right at that moment where they were sitting with their daughter's mortal remains. And she also questioned the humanity of the police and questioned their inhuman behavior, that how could someone offer money to the parents of a deceased person at that moment. And now there's a second video that you have heard. This video, as per TMC's claims, this video was shot a month back, right after the incident took place. In this video, the father of the victim can be heard saying that there are several reports doing the rounds that the family is being bribed and certain people are trying to suppress the case by offering them money. However, these claims are completely false and it's a lie that they have been offered money. So in the second video, which is again shared by TMC leaders, the father is claiming that everything is a lie, no one has offered them any money, and they just urge the officials to ensure justice for their daughter. So these are the two contrasting videos, one that has seen the one that has the aunt of the victim saying that they were offered money, and the second video where TMC leaders have released the video where the father can be heard saying that no, we have not been offered money.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.